Okay, here we go. This is video number 5 with the Shovelhead flywheel for the drive side. It's now been drilled, balanced, so everything should be good when we test it here at 120 degrees apart. Should all stay stationary and not be moving. So let's give it a spin and see what it does. Well, that's the first one, 20 degrees. That's good. Next one, 20, that's good. So I've always done no heavy spots. Let's check the 3 spots now. It's not rotating, so everything's good to go. Get the crankshaft reassembled now and start putting it in the engine. That'll be the next video.